Hey guys, TR here. And today what I wanted to talk about on my channel is affiliate affiliate marketing 101. So there's a lot of people that hear this word tossed about or this phrase tossed about affiliate marketing and they're not quite sure what exactly it is. So I wanted to just kind of go through a brief overview of exactly what is affiliate marketing. Basically, any store, any program you see online can have an affiliate marketing program because basically what it is when you can market another person's product, say like Amazon. Um, you can get a link to the product, and when someone buys the product from your link, you make a commission. So you are in effect an affiliate for that product or program. So many companies utilize affiliate marketing um, to grow their customer base and to grow their income potential. And so you, the individual, sign up as an affiliate with a specific company or many companies, and you market the product for them. And because you are marketing the product for them, saving them obviously money in advertising costs, you get a commission whenever that product sells. There's affiliate programs that pay you month after month. You bring on a person or a customer, and as long as they continue to buy the product month after month, you continue to make a commission month after month. There's also a one-time commissions, like on Amazon. If you sell something off of Amazon, not as an Amazon seller, but if you bring someone to Amazon through your affiliate link and they purchase anything on Amazon, you would make a commission off of that one purchase. There's also affiliate programs that hold a cookie for you, meaning that if somebody comes to that site through your affiliate link that you get and they buy something or they don't buy something, it puts a cookie on their computer, and sometimes the cookies are 2 weeks or a week or 30 days or some are even a year. And if that person ever comes back to that site and then purchases after the fact, you would still earn a commission off of that. So why do companies use affiliate marketing? Well, the short answer is that they can touch a lot more people, they can get a lot more customers, they can get the word out exponentially if they use a little market of affiliates. It's like having little soldiers going out and doing, the brunt of the work for you. Basically, you take care of the fulfillment end of it, and they bring you the customers and they bring you the sales. So it's a win-win for both parties. So basically, that's what affiliate market is. You sign on with a different company or product to promote their product as an affiliate, not as the owner of the product. The company takes care of all of the back end stuff like sending out the product, packaging the product. If it's an ebook or a downloadable product, they deliver it to the customer. Basically, your whole job as an affiliate is to get people to that link. Now, you might already have a customer base of some kind, or you might already be an influencer in some sphere that you can then take a product based on a passion of yours and market it to other people in your realm that also have that same passion and make an affiliate commission. And there's different places to go to get an affiliate link or to become an affiliate. I mean, so what kind of companies utilize affiliate marketing? I'd venture to say almost every company nowadays has some kind of referral marketing program. It's another way to look at affiliate marketing. It's a referral marketing program. So Amazon has an affiliate program where you can sign up and become an affiliate and market any product through Amazon and earn a commission. You've never heard of ClickBank? ClickBank is a platform that sells digital products like ebooks and courses and anything from weight loss to woodworking. Any kind of course you can think of, you can find it on ClickBank, and you can become an affiliate of ClickBank with basically no problem. You can search through their database of things, and you can find a product that resonates with you or that matches your passion, and then you can market that product and earn a commission. And anywhere from 10% all the way up to 100% on front end sales on ClickBank products. JV is another platform online that you can earn a commission, and this is mostly all digital products as well, and it's mostly courses or software that people are using online to build an income. So it's kind of based around the make money at home sphere, JV Zoo. Max Bounty is another affiliate platform where they sell anything from physical products to and digital products to courses. They sell, you could sell vitamins and healthcare products, and I think even some like clothing and courses. Max Bounty has just about everything you can think of to become an affiliate for. Warrior Plus is another digital marketing platform that basically deals with digital things like ebooks and courses, and it's another one geared to the make money on online or make money at home niche. Although they do have other kinds of programs. There's even banks. You can become an affiliate for a bank. I mean, the online banks that I'm thinking of right now, there's like Simple and Chime and Sofi. These are all banking apps that will pay you a huge commission for referring other people. Just for example, there's an app called Sofi. It's a website. It's a financial platform. They have a banking aspect to it where you actually earn like a 2% interest on your checking account, which is basically unheard of. But right now they have a promotion going where when you sign up for a Sofi account and you deposit $100 in your account, you get $50. They give you a free $50 just for opening an account and depositing $100. And then when you refer other people who do the same thing, they open an account, they deposit $100, they get $50, but you get $50 as well for referring them. So it's kind of basically like opening, like in the olden days when you'd open a banking account and you get a free toaster or something, except they're giving you cash and they're giving you cash to refer other people. So that's the one I really like. And right now the promotions are really awesome. They also have one called Chime, where right now they're giving away $75 referral fees. So you can become an affiliate and refer products for just about anything. There's many different kind of apps that are paying referral fees. Things like Cashapp and Venmo and like I said, Sofi and Chime and Net uh, Net Spend, and there's just a lot of them out there. I have another video that basically tells you how you can make free money basically referring these free apps that pay you. Ebates is another one now known as Rakuten, but it used to be called Ebates. Dosh is another one. So there's many out there, and I put the link to the video below of a video that I'm talking about the different apps that you can earn money with. And so there's many other, Walmart has an affiliate program now where Walmart online, if you send people to Walmart online, you can make an affiliate commission. eBay has an affiliate program. So all of these big name companies that you've heard of, you maybe didn't know that they had affiliate programs. I invite you to go ahead and check them out and look for the affiliate link and see if you can become an affiliate. Some of them have some strict criteria. Some of them you're not going to become affiliate for everyone that you apply for without any experience. But there's things like ClickBank and JVZoo and Amazon and Warrior Plus where you basically can sign up and get an affiliate link very easily. So, that's some of the programs. There's many more. Well, you might be wondering, how do you make money with affiliate marketing? And just because you sign up with an affiliate site, an affiliate program, doesn't mean that you're going to make any money. What you have to do is get your affiliate link and get it out into the marketplace somehow, whether that be using your social networks like Facebook or Instagram or your classified ad sites like Craigslist. You need to pick a product that you want to be an affiliate for, and then you need to market that link. That's why it's called affiliate marketing. You're an affiliate for a program. You're deciding what you want to sell. You get approved for that, and then you go out and you market your link. And that is why you get paid, upwards of 100% sometimes of the commission for bringing in front-end customers. And you might be asking, why would a company pay you 100% of the front-end commission? Well, because it's harder to gain a new customer than to sell to an old customer. So when you bring in that customer, they're willing to give you 100% on the front end because they know the chances are really high that they can sell that customer other things on the back end. So they're willing to give you 100% of the commission. Now, you're not going to make 100% commission on every affiliate program that you sign up with. Amazon, the commissions are, 10% maybe. eBay, the commissions are 10%. They're all different. So, like I said, you have to check into the affiliate program you want to start with. And I might make a suggestion that you go to ClickBank because it's the easiest one to get started. All the products are digital products. You don't have to handle any of the back end stuff or the delivery of stuff. Basically, you just need to find a product that resonates with you, get the word out about the product, and start making sales. And in a different video, I'm going to walk you through the actual steps of becoming a ClickBank affiliate, from sign up to picking your product to getting it out there in the marketplace. But that's for another video, okay? So check for the link below, and I'll put that below. So that's how you make money. You make sales, you get paid an affiliate commission. Now, sometimes, how do you get paid as an affiliate marketer? Some affiliate programs, you get the money directly, say, into your PayPal account as soon as the sale is made. Those are like the 100% front end commission programs. And it can be set up where you get the money to your account right away. Other ones, maybe pay out on a weekly basis. And some may even pay out on a monthly basis. But you have to set up your bank account or your PayPal account, or some pay to a pay card. They're all different depending on the affiliate program and how often you pay. Some have a minimum, of $100 that you have to have in your account before they'll pay you out. Some of them have no minimums on how you get paid out. So there's different ways that you get paid. Each affiliate program has a different way they do it. You need to look at the affiliate agreements and find out how they actually pay you. So I'm an affiliate for many different programs, and I earn income from all of these different affiliate programs on an ongoing basis, depending on what I'm marketing. And so every day I get money into my account. Maybe it's only $20 this day and $100 that day and $60 this day, but it all adds up, and it's from all these different affiliate programs that I'm a member in. And I'll put some links below that maybe you want to check out some of the affiliate programs that I'm involved in, and you can check them out and see if you like them. Like I said, I have another video that's going to walk you from front to back on how to get started with affiliate marketing, specifically with ClickBank. So I hope this video was informative and kind of explained to you what affiliate marketing is. I mean, there's more to it, and like I said, I'll go in depth in other videos, but I just wanted to give you a basic overview today of what affiliate marketing is, provide you some resources on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. As a matter of fact, the course that I took that got me started in affiliate marketing, I'll put that link below, and that basically started my online journey to actually earning some income online. So check out that link below. Anyway, this is TR. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I put out content periodically on different programs that I'm involved in, different ways to make money online. And so if you're interested in those kinds of things, check back with me or subscribe. I'll ring the little bell, and that way you'll get notified anytime I put out a new video. Again, this is TR. I hope this was informative, and we'll see you on the beaches of the world.